The U.S. Supreme Court is back in session, and over the next year, the justices will hear a number of controversial cases. Political editor John Delano has a look at some of the hot-button issues on the docket.
6 of the court's 9 justices were appointed by Republicans, 3 by former President Trump alone. Justice Gorsuch, because the Republican Senate would not act on President Obama's nominee. Justice Kavanaugh, who was accused of sexual harassment. And Justice Barrett, whose nomination was rushed last fall just before Trump was defeated.
Overall, what we're watching is a number of different things as this current composition sort of comes forward to sort of put its stamp on things.
Closely watched is the Mississippi anti-abortion rights case, where that state is asking the court to overturn Roe versus Wade, which gave women a constitutional right to an abortion 50 years ago, says Pitt Law School Dean Amy Wildermuth.
The invitation is to say, please overturn Roe v. Wade.
Another controversial case involves New York City that denied 2 residents concealed carry permits because they did not have, quote, a proper cause to carry handguns. Second Amendment advocates say you do not need a reason to carry a gun, while New York officials say it's a matter of public safety.
In terms of the Second Amendment, this is another area where we see this new composition of the Supreme Court perhaps ready to make some changes, ready to come up with some new directions.
When it comes to separation of church and state and tax dollars, Maine prohibits religious schools from getting taxpayer-funded tuition aid because of the First Amendment ban on establishing a religion. But some parents argue the ban violates their religious liberties when they send their kids to parochial school.
This is another attempt by that group at the Supreme Court that's very interested in religious freedom, if you will, to say, here's another sort of false restriction on religion.
Another case involves a man on Texas death row who wants to have his spiritual advisor hold his hand and say prayers while he's being executed. And then there's the Boston Marathon bomber case, where Johar Tsarnaev is trying to set aside his sentence of death, claiming he was under the influence of his older brother.
On the court right now, we have a few that question the death penalty as whether it is in fact constitutional. And then we have the potential with this case to open up the death penalty, if you will, to sort of a wider array.
These are just some of the cases likely to get public attention during this term. While cases will be argued over the next 7 months, most decisions will not be issued until next June, just in time for next year's congressional elections. John Delano, KDKA News.